Hi everybody, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, Group Policy MVP and founder of PolicyPak software. In this video, we're going to learn how to manage and lock down InfranView using PolicyPak. So I've already got InfranView installed on my computer and I'm just a regular user here. As you can see, I'm logged on as a guy called East Sales User 4. If we open up this application from the Start menu and go to Properties Settings, we'll see a number of settings here for the user to mess up and make your life very difficult. So let's go to Browsing Editing, and I definitely don't want my users browsing hidden files or folders on their machines, which could really mess things up. I also don't want them calling the help desk every time they accidentally delete a file, so I want to make sure that under File Handling, I configure these settings such as Ask Me Before Deleting Files. Let's see how we can ensure compliance and perform desktop management of settings quickly using PolicyPak. I'll go ahead and switch over to my management station computer. We'll go ahead and right-click over our eSales users, create a GPO, and we're going to call it Lockdown InfranView. So now this GPO is associated with our East Sales users. I'll right-click over it, I'll click Edit, and I'll dive down under User Configuration, PolicyPak, Applications, New Application. And there it is, PolicyPak for InfranView, along with tons of our other desktop applications packs like Java, Flash, Firefox, and Skype. So let's go ahead and continue onward by going to Browsing, Editing, and let's take care of that potential problem we spoke about by making sure that the Show Hidden Files and Folder while browsing through directory is always unchecked. Notice how the setting became underlined as soon as the checkbox value is changed, and this means that the settings value is going to be delivered through PolicyPak. So to make sure that it never becomes checked, I'm going to right-click upon it and select Disable the corresponding control in the target application. Next, let's go to Property Settings. And we can't depend upon our users to save their stuff whenever they exit the application, so let's just go ahead and ask to save settings on Program Exit. I'll also, again, right-click this setting and disable this setting while I'm at it. Finally, let's go over to File Handling and make sure that our users never have their files deleted unknowingly. So I'm going to check Ask Me Before Deleting Files as well as Delete to Recycle Bin. Then absolutely make sure my users don't reverse these settings. I'm going to right-click upon each of these settings and hide the corresponding control from the target application. And these will make these settings totally invisible to the users. So now I'll go back to my client machine and I'll get a command prompt and run GP update. Now you could envision the user logging on for the first time or using a terminal services or a Citrix machine, using a VDI session or changing job roles or getting a new computer. Any of these things would trigger group policy to kick in. I just happen to be using GP update. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and reopen the application. We can see that our desired settings for property settings have been delivered, as well as the desired settings for browsing editing. Notice too that the settings have been grayed out in both cases. Next, we'll go over to File Handling and confirm that our designated settings are in fact completely hidden from view. PolicyPak has once again done its job. And we're done! That is how incredibly easy it is for you to use PolicyPak to manage and lock down InfranView as well as tons of your other desktop applications. So if you're looking for a trial of PolicyPak, just click on the webinar download button on the right. Thanks so much for watching, and get in touch with us if you're looking to get started. Talk to you soon.